Okay guys, so welcome back to the video. We've got the Econoline back, as you can see behind us, back from hybrid tuning. The guys have done a great job. We've got a new max ECU loom that is directly plug and play with the max ECU that this has got in it, and the previous loom was absolutely garbage. So they have a little bit more expertise in that department than we do. So it was there and they found it and they dealt with it and all good. So new loom in, and the radiator effectively exploded as well, so that was great timing. Anyway, new radiators in there, new electric fans as well, and that's all wired into the ECU with the fuel pump, and everything is all very much hunky-dory. And then yeah, hit the dyno, made 330. I've got the dyno print out in the van. So 330 brake, I think it's 270, 280 at the wheels, something like that. So yeah, it's actually now functioning, running and driving and tuned like it was always supposed to be. It wasn't. Someone told some porcupines. But yeah, it's back, sounds absolutely fantastic. And yeah, runs reliably now and goes pretty well. The fuel tank's rather small. So we might need to address that down the line. But yeah, some more cons to still sort out. We've got some spacers for the air suspension on the front that we've got to fit. That'll hopefully bring it up sort of 50 mil or so, clear the height issue that it has on the tubs. So rubbing in there. But they also rub either side. So we might have to get smaller wheels as well, wheels and tyres. But we're going to do the spacers first and then see where we're at, and then basically test drive it and give it a go. Yeah, the list is really gone from, that's so windy, really gone from this sort of big to now only a few little things on there. And yeah, hopefully it will become very much drivable and usable very soon, and yeah, we can give it back to Joe and he can start to actually use it and enjoy it. With a bit of luck, the Econoline returns. Yeah, I'll fire up and see you guys in there. Shocks. Shocks? No one? Tough crowd. Got a shot. Anyway, these are the shocks that came with the van with the air suspension. And I don't really know what, why, who or how, but they're obviously not designed for a vehicle of this weight. So they're bent. And yeah, we've got some new ones. So they're going on. That's the first job. And then the second job is I've got these to fit on the front, which they look like a kind of hockey puck in a way, if you don't know your air suspensione stuff. Now these are basically exactly what they look like, and they are 2-inch 50mm spacers that sit between the mount and the airbag, and these are going on the front, because the rear arch is clear, although they're tight, the tyre's clear on the arches, but the front doesn't. So these are going on, and hopefully going to resolve our issue, but they might not. So we'll have to get smaller wheels if they don't, which would be a shame. But yeah, a bit of a hope and a pray. So they're cool wheels, I like them, don't get me wrong, but I feel like, I don't know, a bit of bling would be nice. I mean, these are 20, yeah, these are 20s, so set of 19s on there, but I don't know, they're nice wheels. They're kind of like a Riddler style American racing-esque sort of wheel. So they're quite well suited, but I just think, if it were me, I'd put like salt flat dinner plates on there, like the real chrome blingy, you know the one about? Yeah, I'd put a set of them on there. But hey, we'll see. I'll do a bit of conversating with Joe, see what we can come up with, and see what he likes to look of, really. But we might not even get to that point because these might work, but we'll see. Give me, oi. All that fixings under some, and then, ooh, wait there. Oh, well done, you waited. Good job. Thanks for staying. So I spoke to my mate Gaz. Now Gaz has helped us out. You see? How do you open the box, Gaz? Ah, so one of them. Run out of them. Alrighty. So these are... That was a good catch, that was. That was heavier than I thought that was going to be. These are the new ones, which are going to replace them. And yeah, I mean, certainly a whole lot heavier duty and a whole lot better looking. So yeah, sorted really. Hopefully. It's so nice to see this thing finally come together. And Joe's happy as well, which is always good. So that's what we like. Update is I smacked my thumb between the airbag and the control arm, so that hurt. I'm also very nearly done. So this is good news. The airbag spacer. I haven't done the other side yet. One side is in, and yeah, me and Lucas had quite a bit of messing around to do to get that all in nicely, but it's in, and yeah, I've just adjusted the shock correspondingly, so that's all good. New rear shocks are in, as you've probably seen already, so that's all good. Yeah, sort of ticking everything off. On a little bit easier than this side because it's quite the well, ball ache, but we're there now. Yeah, I just hope they're up to the job. I'm looking forward to driving this home and saying to Becca, honey, look what I've bought. God damn it. Alright guys, our journey with the Lobo van is coming to an end. Thank you very much for watching. We hope you've really enjoyed this project. It's an interesting one, and ultimately a really, really cool van. So hopefully it gets to be used and enjoyed like it's meant to, and we'll see it floating around town sometimes. So, don't know, the old B roads in this thing. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. It's been a pleasure. Cool van. Yeah. Been for a lot of work with us really to make it what it is, so yeah, it's now quite a thing, but appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on all the socials. And we'll see you in the next video.